Join Team Hyundai. Become a Hyundai Construction Equipment America's dealer. Why Hyundai? Excellent brand recognition. The Hyundai Heavy Industries DNA is in our name. Hyundai is in construction, offshore and industrial plant engineering, shipbuilding, robotics, and engine manufacturing. All our products are made by Hyundai, from design, production to after service. Hyundai has the industry's best standard warranty, with a 3-year, 3,000-hour full warranty and 5-year, 10,000-hour structural warranty. We offer superior parts support, with 97% parts availability from Atlanta, Georgia. Hyundai was the first construction equipment manufacturer to offer the advanced technology of onboard telematics and an all-round view monitoring detection system. We are committed to providing the tools and support our dealer partners need to successfully market their own construction equipment business. We know that the partnership our customers have with their equipment dealer is critical to their confidence in our machines. That's why we are constantly working to grow and strengthen the network of dealers serving our customers and their businesses.
Hyundai was a great partnership for us because of brand recognition. Everybody understands the car line. They know the Hyundai name. They know that it comes with quality. The construction equipment just emulates that quality throughout their entire product line. And that's what makes Hyundai a great product to represent.
The thing I like about Hyundai is the communication between the factory and the dealership. You know, there's strong bonds between the dealer managers and the regional service manager and on our dealership. And we feel privileged to work with them and have the high quality people coming by and checking up on us and making sure we're doing good. If you're looking to become an equipment dealer, I think Hyundai would be a great choice for you. Just starting out, they have great support and they're willing to go into a number of different markets. I think they're looking to expand, and I think everyone who's thinking about starting a dealership should give them a call.
My service team, techs included, have seen a lot of machines, whether it be in the field or in shop, and they can't get over the quality of a Hyundai machine. They put it as a top-tier machine. They'll put them up against anything, and I will too. Especially with the warranty. You can add up to 5 years, 10,000 hours on a machine. That's unheard of. They just have engineering, they have design, they have, warranty, center pins guaranteed for life. I've never even heard of a thing like that until Hyundai brought it to me. I mean, why wouldn't you buy a Hyundai is the question.
Hyundai Construction Equipment's complete product line includes compact and large excavators, wheel loaders, compaction rollers, and breaker attachments. Dealership opportunities are available in select areas for our full line of construction equipment or compact excavators only. Visit hceamericas.com for more information.